don't even like
I'm
this.
so ugly.
Oh,
What?
don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. You are so pretty. You all shut up. Go in the room. When you look at yourself, you supposed to say, I'm so pretty. You are so pretty. Do you hear me? You got the prettiest little dimples. You are too cute. Oh. No, you gonna make me cry. You're not ugly. You are so pretty. You are like you have this beautiful chocolate skin. No, you're not gonna cry. You are a beautiful little girl, and you are pretty. You are the prettiest girl in your class. Boom! You are beautiful. Black is beautiful, and if nobody ever tell you, I will tell you. You are gorgeous. You are so pretty. And you're gonna grow up, and you're gonna do everything that